ESPN is an acronym for Electronic Sport Programming Network, and the name was later changed to eOracle after several debates by the authority and its beneficiaries. eOracle was started September 2020 with a great vision from numerous people full of wisdom around the world. The little understanding or knowledge I have acquired about eOracle makes me believe and understand that there is no any network business that's supposed to crash provided the founder that initiated it was truthful and sincere to themselves and the followers. Yes, eOracle is the best networking I can ever advise anyone to invest on. Presently, eOracle is over 7 million subscribers and many were still on queue to join. While some were doubting eOracle due to upgrading to make this easier for all subscribers, let me shock you a little. eOracle recently announced that all the subscribers will be given ×3 of their investment, which will commence immediately after the upgrading. For this reason, they immediately give compulsory withdrawal wallet for every single participant of eOracle that they should just continue to withdraw due to excess profit in their business. Not to take too much of your time, let me quickly show you the simple procedure to withdraw your money from eOracle without stress. But before I show you the simple steps, I will implore everyone who have not been seeing our video to try as much as possible to subscribe to our channel now, as well like and click on the notification button to get notified immediately we upload a new video. How to withdraw your money from eOracle? To withdraw your money from eOracle, you must have a wallet address. Presently, the instruction from the eOracle management was that we should follow these two easiest way of withdrawal, which is either through MetaMask wallet or Tempo Tezos wallet. But the management further advised that they will prefer Tempo Tezos wallet due to low gas fee charges. Also, we should bear in mind that shortly the ECN will be listed in many exchanges soon, and you are free to withdraw through any method of your choice. Now, let me take you through the steps one after the other. I implore every one of us to listen attentively and pay full attention as I will show you the simple method to withdraw your money from eOracle. Let's go. Navigate to your Play Store on your phone or click on it to open it. Type MetaMask. Once you notice MetaMask display, click on it to download it. Be patient while the MetaMask is being downloaded. After downloaded, click on open to open the MetaMask. On the MetaMask interface, where you can see wallet setup at the top and also create a new wallet at the bottom, click on create a new wallet with blue background at the bottom. Then it will display another interface asking you to create password. Type in your password, then retype the same password to confirm it. Then click on the square box saying, before I understand that MetaMask cannot recover this password for me. Be patient a little bit while the system is creating your wallet. You can see on the interface display at the top, secure your wallet, and at the bottom, click on start with blue background. Then another interface will be displayed, asking you to confirm your password. Kindly type in your password again and click on confirm with blue background to confirm your password. Then it will take you to the next interface, which will allow you to write down your secret recovery phrase. Kindly tap on the view to reveal the secret recovery phrase and make sure you copy the secret recovery phrase in a secure and safe place for future references. Then click on continue. The next interface will be displayed, asking you to confirm secret recovery phrase. Then open the secret recovery phrase that you jotted down and make sure you click on it according to the way it was arranged. Then once you have done that, it will show you success. Then you can click on complete backup, play on blue background. Then it will display you congratulations in the next interface. Then simply click on done with blue background. Then the next interface will display. You can take your time and read whatever you see on the screen. But finally, click on I agree. It will then take you to a new interface, which is our final destination. Though from here you can navigate around to understand it more. It is very simple and straightforward. I believe every one of us are used to Trust Wallet. Though, if you face any challenge or challenges, you can simply ask any question from the comment section below, and I promise to respond ASAP. Then, you can click on take the tab with white background below to understand it further. Most especially for those who is visiting the app for the first time, you can go through the display message on blue background and click on got it. Click on got it again. Continue to click on got it. You can continue clicking on got it until it stops showing, but make sure you read to understand if you are doing it for the first time or You can ask questions through the comment section below, and I promise to respond ASAP. Gentlemen and ladies, now let us see how you can withdraw money proper from eOracle. To withdraw money from eOracle, you need to add eOracle coin, which is ECN first. To add ECN, firstly copy the contract address from the comment section below. Then on the MetaMask interface, click on the navigation button or 3 lines at the top left corner. Click on wallet to take you to the MetaMask wallet interface. Now, we need to add ECN token to enable us to receive ECN crypto, buy ECN crypto, and at the same time we can intend to send ECN crypto or swap ECN crypto whenever the need arises. Therefore, click on add tokens at the bottom, then click on custom token. At this junction, I believe you must have copied the contract address of ECN token from the comment section below. If not, kindly copy it now from the comment section below. Then paste the copied contract address of the ECN token and click outside the box. Automatically, the ECN will appear by itself. Then click on add token. Then the ECN token will display automatically. Then click on ECN to take you to another interface. Click on receive. Then click on copy to copy the ECN address. Then navigate to eOracle Pay to withdraw your money to ECN on MetaMask. But before we proceed to eOracle Pay, I will quickly show you the procedure through Temple Trezor wallet because they are the same procedure. The only thing different is that they use different wallet address. That is, whenever we are dealing with ECN Temple Trezor wallet, we must go for Trezor's wallet. And also, we must remember to use ECN MetaMask wallet address when we are dealing with MetaMask wallet. Gentlemen and ladies, let me now take you through the procedure of using Temple Trezor wallet. Let's go. On your Chrome browser, type in Temple Trezor wallet extension and press enter to display different options for you. Just as if you intend to Google or search a particular web. Then locate download Temple Trezor wallet and click on it. It will take you to a new page where you have to click on add button. It will take you to another page where you can see import existing wallet and create a new wallet. Click on create a new wallet and it will take you to another interface titled create a new wallet. Kindly input your password and repeat your password again to confirm the password. Then click on the checkbox to accept the terms and conditions. Then finally click on create. It will then take you to a new interface where you need to click on the 12 secret phrase to reveal it. Make sure you copy it and save it in a secret place that you can easily retrieve in the future. Remember to click on the checkbox, then finally click on create. It will take you to a new page to confirm your secret phrase. Kindly follow the instructions and input the secret phrase where necessary. Then finally click on finish at the bottom. Then the next dialog box displayed. Just click on confirm. Then the final stage, create different crypto wallet icons and names will be displaying. Now we need to add ECN token. Since ECN is what we are treating presently, now there is a message box displayed at the top right corner. You can read through and understand it more. But what you need to do is to simply click on the checkbox saying allow this extension to run on a private window. Then click on OK. Note, automatically it will be added to Google Chrome extension. Henceforth, you can start operating or opening it through extension. We can scroll up and down. We will realize that ECN is nowhere to be found. Therefore, we need to add ECN token. Therefore, you locate, manage, and click on it. From the comment section of the video below, copy the contract address. Then place the contract address and click on add token. It will take you to a new dialog box, which you need to add the contract address again and click outside. Automatically, ECN token will be displayed. Then finally, click on add token. Now to transfer or receive our money from eOracle, we need to copy the ECN wallet address from Temple Trezor wallet. And to copy the Trezor's wallet address, first we click on ECN here on Trezor's wallet. Then you click on receive. Then finally click on copy to copy the ECN Trezor's wallet address. Then navigate to eOracle page to withdraw your money to ECN on MetaMask or Trezor's wallet. I will only show us the procedure on Trezor's wallet because it is obvious that shortly everyone can easily withdraw or transfer his or her money to any wallet of their choice with ease immediately the eOracle finished all the upgrades on the eOracle site. Gentlemen and ladies, as at the time I was editing this video, eOracle is still upgrading on their site. eOracle are upgrading to enable us to find every everything easy and straightforward. After the upgrade, everyone will be able to withdraw directly to your different destination wallet where you prefer to keep your money. But since many were eager to have access to their money, the management then decided to give the two best options to withdraw their money for now, and the two options were mentioned earlier above. The two options are either through Temple Tezos wallet or through MetaMask wallet, but they stated it clearly that the option of Temple Tezos will be better for everyone due to low gas fee. Now, let me show you the procedure to withdraw your ECN from eOracle through Temple Tezos wallet. Click on the Chrome extension and select Temple Tezos wallet. Input your password to have access to your Temple Tezos account, after which you have to click on ECN. Then copy the ECN address from Temple Tezos wallet. Meanwhile, before you take the Tezos wallet to eOracle for withdrawal, you must make sure you have minimum of 1 XTZ Tezos in the Tezos wallet to enable the execution of the transfer without any interruption. For this reason, you need to transfer 1 XTZ Tezos from your Binance account to Tezos wallet or anywhere you think that is convenient for you. Therefore, you need to navigate to your Binance account and do the needful. I believe everyone knows how to do that. If you find it difficult, kindly contact me through the comment section below, and I assure you that I will respond as soon as possible. Now, let us believe that everyone has minimum of 1 XTC Tezos in your Temple Tezos wallet. Then copy the ECN address from Temple Tezos wallet and navigate to your eOracle interface. But before I proceed, make sure you click on Crypto Wallet Details to confirm that your wallet is connected. Once you can see this page like this, definitely your wallet is connected. Then on the eOracle interface, sign in your account proper and click on Withdraw from Withdrawal Wallet. The system will then take you to another interface where the proper action will be taken. Then from the interface, paste the Tezos wallet on the receiving address. Specify the exact amount you intend to withdraw. Then input the transaction password. Gentlemen and ladies, that is all. But remember to respond where necessary to the OPT sent to the email for final execution. Finally, you have to exercise patience for good 72 hours for the execution of the ECN to be delivered successfully into Temple Tezos wallet. After which, you can then transfer it to Binance or any exchanges of your choice to convert it to any currency you want. At this junction, all we need to do now is to navigate to eOracle page. Then we now follow the procedure according to the management to withdraw our money proper. But gentlemen and ladies, as at the time I was editing this video, eOracle is still upgrading on their site. eOracle are upgrading to enable us find everything easy and straightforward. After the upgrade, everyone will be able to withdraw directly into your different destination wallet where you prefer to keep your money, or directly into your bank account. Gentlemen and ladies, for this reason, I implore that we should be patient and watch out for my next video, which I will upload next on this same channel, and I will be able to give the final procedure on how you can get your money into your bank account whenever you wish to withdraw from eOracle. Gentlemen and ladies, at this junction, I must confess to you that eOracle is sweet and beautiful. No one will join this family and regret for doing so. Take a bold step today and be financially buoyant for the rest of your life. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click on the notification button